Hello everyone, here is a very short video to show you how you can expand the number of open positions in the overview. For example, you have more positions open than rows that I've colored here in blue. How to proceed to expand this overview? Well, that's very easy. You just go to the last row and you can see on the left this column there is a formula, and you need to pay attention that you will copy that formula. What you need to do is to select the last field in this column. You select it and you drag it down just like this, and then you select the other fields and you also drag them down like this, and now you have extra fields, and automatically these fields will be filled up whenever you have more positions open. And that is all, nothing more. Easy peasy. Thank you very much. Bye.